Today in the state of Maryland, it's going to be 86 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly cloudy. Feels like 89 degrees, wind 9 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 30.14 inch, humidity nearly 50%. And finally, dew point 63 degrees with more than 60 degrees. You notice it's going to be 87 degrees, rain showers. And around 4 p.m. it's going to be 81 degrees, rain showers, and it's going to be a low of 70 degrees around 6 p.m. with rain. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we're going to go to the top of the radar, let's take a look of the favorite places where you live. So, if you take a look of the favorite places in Maryland, we work on putting 15 Maryland cities where you live based off on WJZ Weather. On WJZ Weather, with 15 Maryland cities, they put and add Oakland, Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster, Washington, Annapolis, Baltimore, Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall, Easton, Cambridge, Salisbury, and Ocean City. Those of the 15 Maryland cities that they put up. Therefore, we're working on putting 15 Maryland cities just like on WJZ Weather. So from now on, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be using this Maryland cities just like on WJZ. So pretty simple, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're going to like this. Alright. Let's talk about doing a Doppler radar, which is radar optimization, radar forecast, precipitation, satellite clouds, and even temperatures. So as always, we're going to start off with radar optimization. You notice it's going to be in Garrett County and Allegheny County in the state of Maryland. It's going to be in rain. So just for today, it's going to be rain in Allegheny County and Garrett County. Not a lot in the state of Maryland. There's no rain in Harford County, Baltimore County, Cecil County, and so on. There won't be no rain. So since there's no rain in Maryland, we're going to skip the radar forecast and move it on to precipitation. Precipitation is in 0.01 and 0.08 on the green stuff, which is in the state of Maryland for today and then tonight. And then tomorrow, it's going to be clearing up the precipitation in the state of Maryland. So for tomorrow, it's going to clear up the precipitation. Just for today, ladies and gentlemen, precipitation is going to be in the state of Maryland on the yellow stuff and on the green stuff. So the direction of the precipitation is going to be on the eastbound side. It's going to clear up in the state of Maryland for tomorrow on the northeast side. Just for today, satellite is going to be... Alright, so here we go. In the state of Maryland, there's a lot of white stuff of the satellite. The direction of the satellite is in the eastbound side. Just like you in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware, there's going to be different United States besides Maryland and Delaware. So we'll name it Illinois, Georgia, Alabama, Washington, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, and so on. Michigan, New York, Pennsylvania, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. They're definitely going to be on the satellite of the white stuff of the eastbound side of moving on the different directions. It's going to be mostly cloudy, but today it's going to be rain around over 80s. Other than that, clouds are going to be in the state of Maryland for today. And then tomorrow, still, it's going to be clouds in the state of Maryland. So we're having a difficulty for tomorrow, but for today, clouds are going to be in the state of Maryland because it's going to be rain. Notice, inside the clouds, you'll see the water stuff of the rain. Rain are coming from clouds. So that's what God did that. So tomorrow, clouds are going to be really moving as well in the state of Maryland. And then today, let me repeat this so you fully understand. Today is going to be clouds, and then tomorrow, clouds are going to be really moving as well in the state of Maryland. And even the rest of the United States, and some are going to be quiet, empty, and sometimes they'll be full. Temperatures are going to be on the orange and on the yellow stuff on the 70s and on the 80s. So, other than that, mostly, so it's going to be on the 80s right here in the state of Maryland. Temperatures are going to be on the 80s on the yellow. And then tomorrow, the yellow stuff are going to be on the 70s and go back on the orange stuff on the 80s also. It's going to be really, really hot outside. It's going to be on the 100 degrees because, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, you can't be around 100 degrees outside because you're going to be sweaty. So I want you to stay cool and just put on the fan and even on the air conditioner. So, like I said, you'll be fully. So let me repeat this one more time so you fully understand. So temperatures are going to be on the orange on the 70s right here in the state of Maryland. The other United States, as you can see here right now, Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, it's going to be on the green stuff on the 50s. Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, and so on, they're going to be on the yellow stuff on the 70s, the orange on the 80s. So it's definitely going to be really hot in the United States. Alright, go back to the favorite places. So, based off on WJZ, look at the numbers. So there'll be some are going to be on the 80s and some are going to be on the 60s and 70s. So the only 60s we have is in Oakland. So Oakland is in Garris County. If you live in Garris County, you will see the 60s on the rain. So 67 degrees in Oakland, Columbia around 72, Hagerstown 79, and then Frederick. So everywhere in the state of Maryland is going to be on the 80s in Frederick, Westminster, Washington, Annapolis. Right here in Baltimore, the primary state is in Annapolis, and even in Baltimore. Annapolis and Baltimore are going to be, it's going to be really primary in Maryland. Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall, Easton, Cambridge, and Salisbury. It's going to be on the 80s, and on the 70s, like I've been telling you, it's in Columbia, Hagerstown, and Ocean City. So this is going to be the final. This is going to be a final July because tomorrow it's going to be August. So let me repeat that. So this is going to be the final month of July because tomorrow it's going to be August. Average high with nearly 90 degrees. Average low with fewer than 70 degrees. Again, ladies and gentlemen, record high is going to be more than 100 degrees, 2011. Record low is going to be more than 50 degrees, 2001. Average rainfall, 4.76 inch. So we got a handful of plenty of time for taking a look of the other stuff before we're going to move on to the forecast, the rest of the forecast. So the day details. Day, watch for scattered rain showers. The high will be 88 degrees. Night, tonight will be raining. The low will be 72. Sunrise, 6:05 a.m. Sunset, 8:19 p.m. Moonrise, 8:40 a.m. Moonset, 10:15 p.m. Moon phase, waxing crescent. Precipitation, more than 70%. Humidity, more than 50%. UV index, 8 very high. Max wind, 8 miles per hour. Record rain is going to be 2.26 inch, 2016. Average rain, 0.18 inch. With the record high, we haven't even seen that year of 1999, and even it's going to be nearly 2000s that we are. But right now we're on 2021. So other than that, record high is going to be nearly 100 degrees. Record low with fewer than 60 degrees, 1997. Average high with nearly 90 degrees, and finally average low nearly 70 degrees. So today's going to be rain showers around 88. We're going to stick with the 88 degrees. We're going to put it on the switcher below. And then tomorrow, it's going to be 87 degrees, partly sunny. Now here's the rest of the forecast for August. Because on Monday, tomorrow it's going to be, for August, it's going to be 87 degrees, partly sunny. And then Tuesday, it's going to be 91 degrees, partly sunny also. Wednesday, it's going to be 91 degrees, sunny. Thursday, it's going to be 94 degrees, mostly sunny. And then Friday is going to be thunderstorms around 92. Saturday is going to be 90 degrees, light rain. Same thing with light rain around 93 on Sunday. Monday is going to be 92 degrees, partly sunny. And finally, Tuesday is going to be mostly sunny around 89.